IVM.
Namaskar. My name is Ashish Vidyarthi and I love to chat. Good to have you here, dear friend. This May, good to have you here. Or should I say this June? Or should I say during this lockdown? Well, welcome to a conversation which is about January, February, lockdown, December. That's how it's seeming, isn't it? Well, life was exactly how it was supposed to be. In January, life was exactly how it was supposed to be in February, and then something happened. Lockdown. And it was not a lockdown like, say, for a day, began with that. 2 days, continued with that. A week, as the sentence continued, stretched, as we are right now. And even though we are opening up, it seems it's going to continue for a while. The weeks, the months are just passing by. What is continuing is the lockdown. January, February, lockdown, December. Let us see what it is doing to us. You know what? There's something interesting about seasons. There's something interesting about months. They have something new about them and we look forward to them. Sometimes we don't like them, but we say, all right, this month will pass. This season will change. But this is becoming a very long season. Shall I let you into a secret? This is going to be a long season, dear friend. This lockdown season is not going to get over once the lockdown is over. Because this lockdown is not so much as someone asking us to stay locked in. It is more about something which is happening around us. Something which we have no control over. So let's start looking at what is the scenario around and how can we best deal with that scenario rather than look at January, February, lockdown, December. This is a new reality which has come up. Like the situation, the oxygen, it just changed. For example, years back, Delhi, we used to really look forward to the clean winters, but now it's changed, hasn't it? Smog has come back. And over the years, smog has settled through the winter. What do we do about it? Can we just rue about it? Can we just be upset about it? Yes, do something about it, but while it is around, how do you live your life? Consider over a period of time, things have never remained static. That weather, that part of the year, that part of your life, it has just changed with its variables. This is the new variable, dear friend, the COVID variable. Except that this variable is here for a while, so it's going to be constant at least for 6-8 months, maybe a year. That's right, maybe a year. But the variable in that is you and me. We'll have to actually get out of our auto mode. We'll have to get out of how we think that, it should have gone on and how we normally would go about things. That has changed. What it will require is you and I to look at things in a different way and ongoingly dance with it. That's right. Because if you don't dance with it, then you're bored. Then you are just saying that January, February, lockdown, December, and just kind of bores you. And it's a good joke. In fact, I loved it. I loved it when I first read it. January, February, lockdown, December. But also, when I hear people around me talk about it, when I listen to me keep repeating it, then it pulls me down. I'm sure that's happening with you too. A key part for me to remember is that if something pulls me down, then it's up to me to change it. Completely up to me. Because it may be a fact, but if it's pulling me down, then it's taking away from me the experience of living fully. Dear friend, this lockdown, consider it just a word which is going to continue for a while in our lives as a sentiment. And in this sentiment, which is all around, I am choosing to be a spark. And that's what I'm inviting you to. Become a spark. Become a spark not just for yourself but for people around you. Remember, dear friend, we have to get innovative to sparkle in this period of dullness. Can I promise you one thing? I promise you there are a lot of people who will be sparkling in this period too. Can you be that person? Can you be one of those many who are at this point hidden by the mass sound of "it's not possible"? I know there are sparkles because I know at this very moment, some of you who are listening to me, you have that sparkle. So let it go. Let it flow. Let it sparkle, dear friends. Because this conversation is for them who will make it sparkle any which way. So January, February, sparkle December. Yes. It's just not going to be January, February, lockdown, December. It's going to be January, February, sparkle, December. Let's sparkle. Let's be the unique ones who are sparkling at this moment. And how? I don't know. You will find out, my friends. Look around. Discover how can you sparkle in this time. Enough of asking questions. How can I sparkle? Now's the time for us to find out how we can sparkle. I will tell you something. The clues are all around us, but we just have to get into drive mode, search mode, discovery mode. Look around. There are people needing something at this moment. There are people wanting to do differently something at this moment. You be a part of the change, not a part of the old order. Dear friend, I'm Ashish Vidyarthi and I love to chat and I love to discover. So I would love to hear your thoughts. How you are going to be the sparkle in January, February, sparkle December. Look forward to hearing your thoughts. Al Shukran Bandhu, Al Shukrans in the game. Carry on sparkling. I'm there with you. And do share with me.
I hope you enjoyed that show. We'd like to thank our sponsors this week, Paytm Money. It really has been a great week this week. We've had two of our first international cricketers show up, people who have played for their respective sides. We had W.V. Raman come on Edges and Sledges, the cricket podcast. If you haven't heard that, you should be listening to that if you enjoy cricket. It's really one of the best out there. And you should also definitely check out Monty Panesar, who showed up on Cyrus Says. That was another really interesting conversation that occurred. If you haven't been listening to a few of our shorter shows, please do that as well. Ashish Vidyarthi has been doing a great job for us. We got 30 episodes now on Begin the Journey. I think you really enjoyed that show. If you haven't listened to it, it helps you with understanding what's going on in this tough time and how do you deal with it from a mental health perspective. We've also had some really fun stuff come up on the Smile India show. Shifa's been doing a lot of really good stories over there. Things would just make you happy, so definitely do check that out. And on the more serious side, make sure that you're checking out our regular shows like the Pragati podcast, All Things Policy. They're definitely going to keep you up to date on what's going on in this COVID world. And thanks for listening, and we hope to catch you again next week.
Advertising is dead. Yep, you heard me right. Advertising is dead. We're all in the content business now. Let's not call it news, TV, radio, etc., etc. It's all content, and we're in the middle of this weirdly exciting phase where all the borders and lines that have been drawn over decades has been swept away by this lovely thing called the internet. We're a show where we don't dwell on just the stuff that is now, but rather the wider stuff about advertising, media, content, and the whole goddamn circus surrounding it. Tune in every Tuesday for our weekly unboxing of the mystery box we used to call advertising. I'm Varun Dugirala, co-founder and content chief at The Glitch, and this is my new podcast, Advertising is Dead.